We are winning the cases. We are able to get judgments for more than $1 billion. We were able to put a lien on terror assets worth $600 million, and we were able to collect, to actually get into our hands close to $120 that went to the terror victims. $120 million. We're doing it and we'll continue fighting terrorism in court because governments cannot do what we do. Governments cannot sue other governments. They cannot sue terror organizations or banks. They have to be politically correct. They have foreign relationships they have to take into considerations. They have international treaties that are signed off. They have restraints. We don't. We are private people, private lawyers, who represent private people who have one goal: to bankrupt terrorism, one lawsuit at a time. We are doing and will continue fighting terrorism in court because the Torah taught us, "Lo ta'amod al dam re'echa." Don't stand idly by your brother's blood. We will not stand idly by our brother's blood. We cannot afford it. The state of Israel cannot afford it. The Western world cannot afford it. The Jewish communities around the world cannot afford it. And this is the time to stand behind Israel. This is a very hard time for the state of Israel. We have Syria almost being taken over by the Muslim Brotherhood, which are more extreme than Assad. We have Egypt in the south already taken over by the Muslim Brotherhood, which declare that they are going to put a Muslim constitution according to the Sharia law, and they already called to breach the peace agreement with Israel. We have a crazy ruler in Iran threatening to nuclear Israel. We have Hamas launch war against us, and Hezbollah launching war against us, shooting missiles towards civilian population, thousands, for a period of 1 month. Israel has never been in such a dangerous situation, and we need the support of the Jewish communities around the world. We will fight terrorism in court. We'll take a role in the war against terrorism because we don't have any other choice. We are sick and tired going with parents to the Abu Kabir Forensic Center and helping them identifying their children's bodies with dental records. We're sick and tired attending funerals and watching little children saying Kaddish on their parents. And even worse, watching parents saying Kaddish on their children. But mostly, we are sick and tired sitting in the military courts, watching the defendants from the Hamas who are looking at the Israeli judge, looking at his eyes, smiling at him, laughing at him, and promising him that they will win. They will not win. We will win, because we are fighting for our national survival. We want to live in our country. We want to send our kids to school and to make sure that they are coming back home safely. We want to shop in our malls. We want to sit in our cafes. We want to ride our buses. We want to live safely in our country. And we'll do anything it takes to fight back. Because in the end, we will win.
As in the name of Esh and from the Jewish community and the Jews all over the world, we want to thank you for all what you do in Navi and the whole organization. This is a Mexican calendar is the Aztec calendar. I hope you will remember us, and you know you have all our support, and we don't have the words to really say thank you and tell you how much we appreciate what you do.